What's up guys, it's Dylan with Diverse Ford Research and Built to Drive Media. Today we're going to be working on the Civic and we got some camo radiator hoses. Like, I think they look dope as hell. I don't know, what do you guys think they look like? Also, we're going to install a new radiator and we will be installing a radiator cap, which I already put on. Here is the 2-row radiator right here with the dope little radiator cap right there. We have these sick ass radiator hoses. What do you guys think about these? Like, let me know. Do you think they're sick or what? Like, seriously, this thing looks so dope to me. I think it matches the paint of the car so perfect. Look at that. I mean, camo matches anything, but look, the gray tones and everything, look at that. I think it's like perfect, and it still matches those headlights. Like, it just goes together very well. Hopefully it doesn't look too stupid in the car with the red right there, but the headers have that blue burn, that has a blue burn on it, and this has a little blue grayish in it, and I think it's just gonna look amazing with this radiator. This one honestly didn't even fit. You see how it's like flaring up at the end right there? That's because it never truly fit. We'll start with this hose first. Before you set the radiator in, make sure to put these radiator grommets back in right here on both sides. It might have been easier to do the bottom hose on this first, but we'll just keep it going. So make sure it sits in there. This doesn't even fit. What the hell? It doesn't fit, guys. It's almost like, are you serious? It has to fit. There's no way it doesn't fit. Alright, let's get it in there. It has to fit. Got one in. Okay, got two in there. Now you'll take your radiator stay. Put that in like so. This bad boy, I don't even know which way this goes. I think it's like this. This is for an Integra, I believe, so we might have to cut it to size. we got our brand new Flexolite fan right here. We still have the old one, but I'll probably sell it. We'll go ahead and get this all mounted up. There's literally nothing wrong with this one right here, but this rubber piece. Okay, so we had to modify this fan to make this work, so we had to do a little circle cutout right there and a little cutout right there, which will allow it to go over that hose. So now that we have that done, we are going to use this 10mm, this 10mm, this one, and this one to mount it up right now. Fan's so big, we're gonna have to get a custom bottle. I'll mount it back here. We'll see. I'm looking at an aluminum overflow tank anyway. Alright guys, so this is what the finished product looks like. Let me know what you guys think about it. Do you guys think it's fire? Do you guys think the camo is a little bit too much? Also, we're gonna put our catch can over there, and this will be a turbo system right here with a top mount, so the turbo will be about right here, guys. Let me know what you guys think. I'm still kind of getting used to the camo. The Flexolite fan looks amazing in there, guys. Headlights look good. What do you guys think? Drop a comment below. Give this video a thumbs up. That way YouTube picks up the algorithm for my videos and we can keep these videos going. But as of now, this is a shorter vlog and just wanted to do some updates to the car before we send it to the paint shop. Again, what do you guys think, man? Can't believe it's actually coming out good. V2 is so dope. I got some more stuff I don't want to tell you guys yet, but we got a whole lot more stuff coming up, guys. I promise you. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this little vlog. This was me installing the radiator and a few other parts that needed to be installed on this car that was damaged. How do you guys like these radiator hose? Is the camo too much? Does it look good? Does it match the Civic? Does it match the V2 vibes, or is it just way too much, guys? The Flexolite fan looks amazing in there. I love how thin it is, especially coupled with this aluminum radiator. Everything's coming along better than I imagined it. Honestly, my personal opinion, I think it looks sick. These headlights look sick. We're gonna put underglow on the car as well, and this thing will be hitting the body shop soon to get this painted. We're not gonna take it to the same body shop. We're gonna take it to the guy who helped me primer the car originally, because I trust his work and I know what the outcome will be. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this vlog. I know this was a shorter one, but again, we got a whole lot of stuff coming up. I just want you guys to stay tuned. Make sure to like, comment, follow, subscribe if you're a fan of the Civic and you want to see it built. This is Dylan with Diverse Ford Research and Built to Drive Media. I'll see you guys later. Peace.